New project, I used a bike tire lever to pry up the center console, so now I can route my USB cables underneath out of sight. You know, they just get snagged on it, and then up to my charger. So this is going to look nice. So I went just about an inch or two from the console and put my prior in there and just lift it up. And as you can see, there's some connections there to the iDrive and to other things. I'm going to try not to take them down. I'm just going to lift them down. I'm just going to feed the wire cable from here all the way to here. Maybe I can tuck them in the side, I don't know, but get them out here where the cups are. So now I just snap the console down. Cables are up there, no problem. I didn't have to wedge anything out. We'll see how that goes. That closes well. This goes up to here and up to the cup holder. The cup holder still closes nicely. And now I don't have all these extra cables hanging all over the place. So this will feed right up to my Rove wireless charger. And then I have a spare charger for passengers. And I'll just tuck it into the net down here. Looking nice and clean now. And that's how it looks from here. No wires seen except for going up to the charger now. So much better than before. Like I said, I'm going to tuck this passenger one over into the little basket down below, so passengers can have a little charging too. All right, thanks.